What is this person doing? Can't they see we're performing?
Let's see if we do a little off-road. Jump in, cameraman.
Yo! Cameraman here, folks. We got Stuntman over here.
What's up, everybody? I am back now. This is my first video since I filmed in Ireland, and I did the vid, and you guys watched Wednesday night how I spanked 2 people on the show, and then I got beat by Ty.
You got your ass kicked by Ty.
I didn't get my ass kicked. I got beat.
You were doing good. I was proud of the kid. He was all confident in himself. Didn't he look like he could have ran the whole show? He could have hosted the damn thing, for crying out loud.
Maybe I could have.
Unbelievable.
But anyway, I'm back in effect. I'm going to be doing some shenanigans down here. I got a Jeep Grand Cherokee with 2-wheel drive. Hopefully, it performs better than I did in Ireland.
Wow.
And don't make fun of me.
Ladies,
I want to say what's up. I want to say what's up to PJ. Because last night, I'm sitting in an Italian restaurant on Willis Avenue in Roslyn, and I look over, and there's a couple of neutral droppers hanging out with their lady friends. In fact, his girlfriend's very cool. She bought him a cameo, and I did the cameo when I was down in Costa Rica, relaxing.
He's not trying to push cameos.
No. In fact, I don't want to do any cameos. You know what? It's over. I'm not doing them anymore, unless you ask politely.
Wow, it's a big shot.
Show the car.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's got the taped up window. It's got the alloys. It's a Grand Cherokee Laredo, ladies and gentlemen.
I just
get
wanna
out of the
say-
way.
Shut
I'm
up, I
showing
gotta
the
say
car
something.
off.
I got news to say.
Go ahead. What's the big
good
news?
friend of the channel, Mike, is over here. I'm not going to say anything much more than that. You know who you are, Mike, and you don't answer your damn fucking phone.
Ladies and gentlemen, it ain't half bad. She's pretty clean.
Shut up.
It's got the rot. What do you mean this ain't got rot? Oh, that was a sick rot check.
I got to be honest with you. The one thing I could say about what I did with the show is that Rob Lowe is very truthful. He's very honest. He doesn't need glasses because he recognized that he didn't want to do a show with someone more handsome than he was.
Wow.
Well, he was right, Robert.
More handsomer. Ladies and gentlemen, all right, here we are. What you got, Stuntman? Woo! I gotta get the camera work going, folks. Wow! He's in full effect. He's really far away, folks. I super zoomed in. Wow! Is he coming back here? Folks, it's dusty and musty. Look at this. What the truck? Wow! Not bad for a superstar that's on TV and everything. All right, here he comes, folks. What is this person doing? Can't they see we're performing? Up. That's how he parks, folks. A 3-point U-turn. Go ahead. This guy's gonna have to go to the car wash. Hold on there, Stuntman! We have big rigs coming through. We have BMWs coming through. Wow. And we got a hoopty. Very dusty out here. Ooh! Getting better in his old age. Please don't kill me.
That's called a rock fit.
Oh, yeah. They know. You guys don't know what his rock fits are? Ooh. The pigeons are flying away and everything. This is called a rocking horse.
Let's see if we do a little off-road.
Hold on a minute. We gotta roll this window down. Oh!
Get in the car. Let's see if we do a little off-road. Jump in, cameraman.
Hold on.
Jump in. We're gonna do a little off-roading.
Oh boy.
Come on.
Oh boy. Boy, oh boy. What's going on in here? We're gonna off-road. Oh boy. Do I put the seatbelt on? I can't lie, guys. I'm a little scared. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, don't hit his trucks. Don't decapitate me, please.
A little off-road.
Jesus Christ. All right. Oh, jeez. Oh, she got out of shape. She got out of shape.
Took out the wheel. Trust me, if you know New York City, you don't want to end up in Jamaica Bay. It smells, and there's got to be at least a dozen bodies in there.
At least.
What the hell's going on?
Hold on, let me get out so you can whip this thing around.
We got a new off-roading spot.
Yeah. We love off-road activities, folks.
I'm actually getting a little stuck. Hold on, let me throw it in reverse.
Jesus, Mary and Joseph.
The gas mask's on. A lot of good graffiti down here, too.
Oh! Oh, Jesus. Okay, all right. Oh, hit the brakes. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Let me get out of this.
Say hello to Mike.
Wow. At least it's not dusty. Woo!
Hey, Mike!
Wow. I gotta dust off the camera.
Get over here!
Wow.
Get over here! I want everybody to thank Mike. He got us.
He's got the new off-road location.
We got the off-road
What's up?
track that we're gonna do. All
Let's
right.
fucking
from now
go.
on, every couple of weeks or so, we're going off-road with Mike.
Oh, why would you do that to a man's truck? Why would you do that to a man's truck? Oh!
Hold on. Oh, wait a second. Back window. Come here.
Hold on.
Back window.
Hold on a minute. Oh! Whoa! That's a tough back window. Look at that, folks. You don't see that too often.
Get out of my way.
Make sure you don't bounce it over and hit his Ram truck. Oh, that's how it's done.
How are you gonna clean that up?
Now he's got to clean it up. The man, he has no respect for another man's property. Junk man knows all about it.
He's got 700 goddamn employees. Put somebody else on.
Wow, he's bossing the guy around in his own joint. What's this world coming to?
I didn't mean that. We are in his own joint. Let me go out here. Get your own guys to clean it up.
Wow, Mike, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Here we go.
Mike's the man.
Folks,
Very good
we
guy,
ain't playing
good
out
friend
here.
of the channel and a gentleman. I'll
Total
tell you that
gentleman,
right now.
total gentleman,
All
folks.
right.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we are